mean, I know this shit cause I had before. But I can't, it's on the tip of my tongue, I can't get it out.
Bro, why it taste like this?
What it do, YouTube? It's your little big homie Mike. You are now tuned in to Mike B. Chillin'. Y'all know the vibes. God has blessed us with another day, so you know I'm gonna bless you with another video. Today's video gonna be a food eating challenge, a blindfolded food eating challenge, baby food at that. Me and my boys gonna test this baby food out and see if we can guess what we eating. Now, if you ever tasted baby food, you know it ain't appealing to the taste buds. So it's about to be epic. I'm about to run in here to Walmart, and yes, I do have a bonnet on my head. I ain't done nothing to my hair yet, but that's how I'm coming. Alright, I got the baby food. You know I had to stop and give me something for my stomach, as well as a McDonald's caramel frappe, pretty good. About to head to the house and get things set up. I'll turn the camera back on when we're ready. About to go down. The challenge is ready. We're about to get everybody in here and get started. Y'all tune in.
Alright, so we got different flavors.
Alright guys, we got them blindfolded. We're about to bring them to the table. Come on. We got our first contestant, Lil Cam. Right here in front of me. DJ, this guy here. Where you going, bro? Come this way. For every correct one y'all get right, cash right here. It's $1 for every correct one. So if you, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's 7. So if you get them all right, you can win $7 cash right now. Y'all ready? So we're gonna start off with number 1.
You mix up?
No, nothing's mixed. You ready? Here.
For me?
That's yours. Don't take it yet. Wait, y'all take it at the same time. Here. It's a spoon.
Where's that?
How you going? Ready? Go. Don't smell, just taste it.
Baby food?
Taste it. What kind? What it taste like?
Baby food.
What it taste like?
Peace.
Tastes like carrot.
Ain't wrong.
Peace.
No, it's not peas. Ain't wrong. So that's 1 down.
Mm-hmm.
That is number 2. Hold on, let me show them.
I don't know what that is.
Number 2.
It's spilled on my side.
Go. You gotta taste, you gotta eat it. You gotta eat it. Just eat it like you're eating a spoon, like you eating food. You gotta eat it.
I don't know what this is.
What it tastes like?
Ugh. Is this some more baby food?
What it tastes like?
I don't know what that is.
I have no idea. I'm not a baby.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, well,
How we get
Number
baby
3.
food?
That's what it just tastes like baby. It's
Number
baby
3.
food.
But what kind of baby food?
I have no idea.
Candy yums.
No,
No,
that
it's not
wasn't
candy
candy yums. Y'all should get this one. Go. Eat it.
Ugh.
Eat it.
Mm.
You got. It ain't no Mexican beans. You gotta eat it.
Bro, why?
You got to eat it.
I
Eat
feel
it.
like that.
You gotta
What
eat
is
it. You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it.
I don't want to.
You gotta eat it. Eat it.
What is it?
Yeah, you can.
If I put
Eat
it in my mouth, I'm gonna spit it out.
Okay, well, you gotta eat it. Cause that's the only way you're gonna get a taste.
Bro. What's that Mexican stuff you be fixing? That's them.
Refried beans?
Yeah.
That's what
Yeah.
That's not beans.
I don't. What? How we supposed to know what this is? I never ate this before.
I don't know.
It tastes like,
tastes like
dog
beans.
food.
I know what dog food tastes like.
From that bean booze. That's what this is?
No, it's not dog food. It's not dog food.
And it's wet.
I don't know. They taste like beans.
Tastes like beans? That's our final answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all got 1, 2, 3, 4 more to do. The third one?
That was, what's that? It was nasty.
But you gotta eat, you gotta put it, you have to eat it in order to get the taste. But if you gotta spit it out in that tab.
What's the taste?
Eat it. You gotta eat it.
Bro, why it taste like this?
What it?
What's the taste?
Tastes like peas.
What's the taste? I'll give y'all a hint. This one is like a vegetable or fruit. I don't know what it's considered.
It's peas.
It starts with an S.
Squash. That's what it is. Squash.
Squash.
Nasty. Nasty.
Applesauce.
Yeah. That was easy.
I'll take it one person to answer it. Y'all both get it. Alright, y'all got that one.
Ugh. Ketchup.
I don't know what this shit I had before. But I can't, it's on the tip of my tongue, I just can't get it out. Yeah.
What is it?
What it tastes like?
It tastes ketchup.
It tastes like
No,
ketchup for real?
like ketchup, dude. It's, I had this before.
That tastes like ketchup?
Yes.
I had this before.
No, it's not ketchup. It's a fruit.
A fruit.
Yeah. Taste it again.
Pear.
No, taste it again.
What is it?
Taste it again.
It's a
Smell
fruit.
it.
Dang, what is it? It's on, I know it, I just can't.
A fruit.
It's a fruit.
I can't think of it right now.
How you can't think of a fruit? You eat fruit, don't you?
Bananas.
Ding, ding, ding. It's a banana.
See, I knew what it was, I just couldn't get on my tongue.
This does not taste like a banana.
Cause it's apples,
This does not taste like a banana.
It don't taste like banana?
No, cause if it was a banana, my throat would be itchy.
you allergic to, you allergic to bananas.
It's bananas.
It don't taste like
It's
it.
bananas.
It tastes like ketchup.
Alright, the last one. Yeah, I owe you a $1. I gotta go get $1. It's the last one. Put your green hand up.
Pears.
That's right. You got that one.
I don't eat fruit.
But I still owe y'all. So I owe you another $1, and I owe you $2, I think.
Are you pears? I'm a
Alright,
potato.
take your blindfolds off. Let me see what y'all was eating.
Baby food.
That's all we ate was baby food?
Everything. It's right there.
What is this?
What's this? This
What
the
is
first one?
What is that?
Which one?
This one.
Pick it up and see.
Oh, that's a banana.
Oh, this the squash one.
What is this?
Pick it up and see. It's right there by it.
What's the first one that we ate?
Chicken. Chicken
Prunes.
balls.
Prunes.
All right, guys, that's the challenge. Y'all know the vibes. Till next time, peace be with you. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button and click that bell so you can be notified when I drop another video. All right, peace.
Yeah, might be chillin', yeah. Might be chillin'. Chase a million.